No intros required. My last video, Rekon FPV by HGLRC, did a nice fly around the reservoir here with a 4S 850 on top. I've ditched the Cadex FPV camera that was on top to lose the additional weight, and I've put on my Lion 18650 long range pack. So we're going to push it out there and have a very gentle cruise around. Enough chit chat. Let's see how long the Lion goes on top of the Rekon 5. Let's go. Whew, straight away she is a little bit heavier, so bear that in mind. Okay, time to be really gentle on the sticks. What's old mate down there doing on the motorbike? I didn't really want to play around down there, but I've parked somewhere down there, guys, so need to make sure old mate on the motorbike isn't doing something that he shouldn't be doing. No, okay. There he goes. There's my car. Okay, sorry about that. Yeah, we're going to get some low battery warnings, guys, because I haven't been as light with my thumb as I was hoping to be. But anyway. Okay, let's go for a cruise, shall we? Sit on about 40 metres. Certainly. Not too sure why I'm getting low battery warnings straight away. .3, 14.2, flight time at the moment 3 minutes. I'll just give it a tiny bit of stick and I get a low battery warning, so that's no good. There she goes, somewhere up there. Yeah, okay. I'm going to go down here, but I won't go over the water. Really nice VTX on this, guys. Really, really nice. .7, 14. Trying to maintain about 40 meters altitude, 300 meters out. You've got to be careful with the Lion pack. Once you run out of power or get too low, you run the risk of losing VTX completely, which certainly wouldn't be ideal. Yeah, I'm going to call it, guys. I'm a bit concerned about that low battery warning. Maybe I've set it up differently compared to my other units, so I'm actually in a bit of strife now. So I'm going to stick to the edge here because I may actually need to ditch. Five-minute flight time, certainly capable of a lot more than that, guys, so I'm not sure why we have run out of power so quickly. I will hover around now that I have made it back home. My heart can slow down a bit. I will just hover around here until we get down to about 13.4 and then I'll call it quits, I think. It was charged up fully, absolutely, so maybe those couple of initial stabs that I gave it when I was checking out my car earlier on has depleted it a lot quicker than I thought it would, so it's 13.7, alrighty. Okay. And that was me nearly falling over a rock or something. Alright, let's go for a hand grab. Landed it just in time then, guys, so lucky I didn't push it. I'll check out on Betaflight what's going on with my alarm settings, and I'll double check this low on pack. It was charged up yesterday. Well, we've got a better flight time than 6-7 minutes. However, like I said, that initial stabbing I was doing on the throttle really drains these packs, so you just have to be really super smooth with them. Otherwise your flight time won't be very long at all. Let us know what you think. Comments below, smash that thumb and bell. Good to see you. Links down below. Plenty more flights with this Rekon coming up, including a bi-blade version. Should be good. Look forward to it. See you next time. Skypilot. Catch you later, guys. Bye for now.
Huh.